This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the WaterTech Pool Blaster Pro 1000. This is a powerful, cordless, battery-operated vacuum. And let me show you what comes included with the Pool Blaster Pro 1000. And included is the user manual. And there are 3 different bags. You have the multi-layer filter bag. You have your sand silt bag. And it comes with this all-purpose bag as well. And you can see that these are high-capacity debris bags. Also included is this universal vac head adapter. So if you wanted to use a manual vacuum with this, you can also do that. It does come with this really nice 15-inch fixed vacuum head. You can see it has a very large debris opening on the bottom. It also has these nice wheels and brushes on the bottom. I find that this is sufficient for the Pool Blaster Pro 1000. There's also this included shoulder strap. You can carry it back to your stops or to your backyard pool. And one of the nice features is that the battery is completely sealed, so there's no worry about water getting in here. You simply open this up to charge it. It takes about 6 hours to fully charge. Once it's fully charged, you're going to get 2 hours of runtime. And included is the charger. And this has a power rating of 900, which is about 50% more power than any of their other portable cordless vacuums that they sell. Another nice feature is that it can work in as little as 17 inches of water at a 45-degree angle. On the bottom is this aluminum pole connector, and as you can see, it goes right through the body. So this is not going to snap, and it connects to any standard telescoping pool pole. This is also a very lightweight cleaner. It comes in at 6.8 pounds. Okay, let me show you the debris that I picked up here at this pool. Again, it does a great job with large leaf debris because of the large opening on the bottom. And you can see all the leaf debris I picked up here. You can see also all the dirt that it was able to pick up. And you can see this is a very powerful and effective battery-powered vacuum. Again, it has a runtime of 2 hours, so sufficient if you have a pool route or if you just want to vacuum your backyard pool once or twice a week. That's a look at the Pool Blaster Pro 1000. It's definitely a very versatile and powerful cordless battery-operated vacuum. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.